A massive white Brahman bull begins the journey inside the modern facility. Its powerful body and huge curved horns immediately command attention. The camera moves closer to the distinctive horns of the white Brahman bull. Their size and curved shape are clearly visible. Instance. The majestic horn architecture of the white Brahman bull provides a natural raw material unmatched in density and beauty. From the side, the white Brahman bull reveals its powerful physical structure. A close view reveals the distinctive features of the white Brahman bull. Large curved horns and a powerful muscular frame define the animal. Across sunlit grassland ranches, majestic white Brahman bulls thrive in open, natural pastures. As morning mist lifts across the ranch, the white Brahman bull herd moves with quiet confidence. Each animal's distinctive white horns catch the early light. A large herd of fully horned white Brahman bulls fills the spacious enclosure. Inside the massive steel enclosure, large white Brahman bulls stand in organized groups. A giant white Brahman bull moves calmly through the steel gate. Controlled pathways guide the bulls safely through the facility. From above, the scale of the white Brahman bull herd becomes clear. Strong fencing divides the spacious facility into organized sections.
Move on, let's go! Keep them steady now.
The white Brahman bulls are organized into spacious holding areas. Strong steel barriers maintain controlled movement throughout the facility. The final wide view reveals the scale of the white Brahman bull facility. The massive horned herds.
Move him up, nice and steady. Watch his head, keep him moving to the left, shoot.
The white Brahman bull herd enters another controlled enclosure. The spacious layout allows organized movement and observation. The large Brahman bull horns are carefully organized for specialized processing. Each horn is prepared for cleaning, shaping, and finishing. Meanwhile, the prepared cattle hides enter a completely separate leather processing line. The next stages focus on transforming hides into premium leather. Industrial drums thoroughly clean the prepared cattle hides. Controlled washing removes unwanted surface contaminants before further processing. The cleaned cattle hides enter large tanning drums. Controlled tanning gives the leather greater durability and stability. The processed leather is carefully dried under controlled conditions. Consistent drying helps prepare the leather for finishing. As a natural byproduct of certified agricultural operations, every white Brahman bullhorn is ethically collected and preserved. Under close optical magnification, the dense keratin matrix of the white Brahman bullhorn reveals natural pearlescent layering. Crafting luxury iPhone cases from solid white Brahman bullhorns demands sub-millimeter machining and artisan polishing. Every individual white Brahman bullhorn plate is sliced, flattened, and CNC milled to hold camera cutouts and MagSafe. Crafting luxury iPhone cases from solid white Brahman bullhorns demands sub-millimeter machining and artisan polishing. Crafting luxury iPhone cases from solid white Brahman bullhorns demands sub-millimeter machining and artisan polishing. Carefully selected horn pieces enter the luxury phone cover production line. Only clean and suitable pieces move forward.
Precision machinery cuts the horn into carefully controlled sections. Accurate cutting prepares the horn for shaping.
Computer-controlled machining creates the basic smartphone cover shape. Precise dimensions ensure a clean and accurate fit. the shaped horn cover receives a smooth final polish. The natural pattern of the horn becomes the defining feature of the luxury finish. The polished horn case fits the iPhone with precision. Its natural pattern creates a distinctive luxury finish. Finished horn iPhone cases are presented as a premium collection. Each case shows unique natural patterns while maintaining a consistent luxury design. A complete collection of horn iPhone cases is now ready. Each case carries a naturally unique pattern. Close-up details reveal the natural character of the polished horn. Smooth finishing gives the case a refined appearance. Precision machining creates a clean camera opening. Every edge is finished for a refined final appearance. The edges receive a final polishing treatment. This finishing stage gives the horn iPhone case a smooth, premium feel. The edges receive a final polishing treatment. This finishing stage gives the horn iPhone case a smooth, premium feel. Proved horn iPhone cases move into premium presentation packaging. The packaging protects the finished craftsmanship during delivery. Finished cases are presented in a refined showroom environment. Natural horn patterns make every case visually distinctive.